Good morning, students. Myself K.K. Bhatt from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today once again I am going to teach you the second part of the video, phrase. Dear student, yesterday I have taught you what is phrase, and also I have taught you more about complements and describe what is noun phrase. Dear students, today I am going to describe the next about adjective phrase. Here, adjective phrase. Dear students, you know well that phrase is a part of sentence which have no subject, object, verb or complements, and also it has no meaning. Phrase complete its meaning to join with sentence. In this sentence, I am going to describe the adjective phrase. First of all, see what is the definition of adjective. Look here, it adds some meaning to a noun or a pronoun. It means adjective does just describe or modifies noun or pronoun. You know that adjective used to modify noun or pronoun. It means it tells something about noun or pronoun. Say here in this example, this is a black cow. Here what you say? This is a black cow. Black is here noun. Black is here noun. Black is here now. Here see here, cow is here now, and black is here adjective. Why? Because black describes the color of cow. Why black adjective? Because black describes the color of cow. Now, see here what is adjective phrase. You know that adjective just describe or add some meaning to a noun or pronoun, and same as adjective phrase also work in a sentence as adjective. See here the definition of adjective phrase. It is a phrase that act like an adjective. Like an adjective. It means like an adjective. It means adjective phrase used to modify noun or a pronoun. See here what is the condition of adjective phrase. It comes immediately after the noun or pronoun. After the noun or pronoun. It means adjective phrase just used to describe about noun or pronoun after that particular words. So what do you understand? Definition of adjective, it's modified or it adds some meaning to a noun or a pronoun. Adjective phrase, it is a phrase that acts like an adjective. It's come immediately after the noun or pronoun. Dear student, try to understand through the example. See here some example. See here some example. Suppose that, see here example 1. She is an intelligent girl. She is an She is an intelligent girl. Now look here. In this sentence, she is an intelligent girl. Intelligent is what? It is the adjective. What? It is the adjective. And it used before noun, it means girl. She is an intelligent girl. Intelligent is here, adjective, and used before noun, girl. Now, see here, how we change intelligent as adjective phrase. We have to change this particular sentence adding with preposition. It means we take care to change this particular word into adjective phrase. Look here, she is the girl. If I write, she is the girl. You know, in that lesson, adjective phrase just come immediately after the noun or pronoun. Here, girls. So we use adjective phrase after the noun. It's clear to everyone? So, she is the girl with, look here, with intelligence. With I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-C. She is the girl with intelligence. What type of girl? With intelligence. So with intelligence, that is the adjective phrase, because this particular word used to describe the girls who used the sentence as a noun. So you understand? She is an intelligent girl. Here in this sentence, intelligent is adjective. When we describe or change the intelligent into adjective phrase, as a rule, adjective phrase used after the noun or pronoun. So just take the girl here. She is the girl with intelligence. I think you understand. See more one example. See more example, and try to understand with more example. Example number 2. He has a golden pen. He has a golden pen. Look here. Pen is what? Here pen is noun. And golden. Here golden is adjective. If anyone asks what type of pen, your answer is golden. So golden is what? Here golden used to describe something about the pen. Now see here, golden, we have to change this word into adjective phrase. We have to change this word into adjective phrase. Look here, we have to change this word into adjective phrase. As the definition of adjective phrase, we have to use the adjective phrase after noun. We have to use adjective phrase after noun. See here, after noun it means we have to, he has, where is the noun? The pen is noun here. So he has a pen. You write here, he has a pen. It means noun has come here with has. Now see here, golden. He has a pen. You can use here with he has a pen made of gold. See here, he has a golden pen. You know that golden is here adjective, pen is here noun. Golden used to describe something about pen. So we have to change adjective into adjective phrase. Now as a rule, adjective phrase used after the noun. So see here, he has a pen. Pen is noun. So we have to use here adjective phrase. So we can write here, he has a tent made of gold. He has a tent made of gold. I think it's clear to everyone. Now see one more example to understand is clear. Example number 1. If anyone write like that, there is a blue jacket. There is a blue. There is a blue jacket. There is a blue jacket. See here, jacket is what? Jacket that is used here as a noun. And look here, blue. Blue here used as adjective. Why it is adjective? Why it is adjective? Because blue just indicates the color of jacket. What is the color of jacket? Blue. See here now at same we have to change adjective this blue into adjective phrase. We have to use here adjective to change into adjective phrase. Now see here how to change this particular word into adjective sentence. And you know that jackal used here. You can write like that. Here is a jackal. Okay, there is a jackal. And blue. The question is blue. It means what is the color of jackal? The question is blue. So when we use blue as a phrase, we can use like that. There is jackal with blue skin. What is the skin of jackal? What is the skin of jackal? Your answer is blue. So there is jackal with blue color. I think you understand what is the adjective phrase. Through this example, you can understand what is adjective phrase. Now, dear friends, I am going to teach you about adverb phrase. See here, adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. You know what is the definition of adverb? The definition of adverb. An adverb is a word that adds meaning to a verb, to adjective, and to another adverb. It means adverb describes or modifies word, adjective, or another adverb. Now see what is adverb phrase. See here, a phrase which acts like an adverb is which act like an adverb. A phrase which acts like an adverb is what do you say? Is an adverb phrase. It means adverb phrase also used to describe either word, adjective, or another adverb. I think it's clear for a definition. A phrase which acts like an adverb is an adverb phrase. It also describes or add meaning of word, adjective of another adverb. Now try to understand through the example. In previous classes, we have read that there are many adverbs. There are many adverbs like adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, adverb of purpose. Those all are used in this particular topic. See here the example. If you see that they talk wisely. Look here, wisely is what? Wisely. Wisely, if you put the question here, how? How they talk? Your answer is wisely. So wisely is what? Wisely is adverb. How it is about the adverb of manner. Now we have to change this particular word into adverb phrase. Talk, that is the word, the particular word used to describe the meaning of talk. So now change this sentence as like that. They talk wisely. It means in a wise manner. Your answer is what? In a wise manner. It means they talk wisely. Your question is how? The answer is wisely. Change this particular word into adverb phrase. You can write it like they talk in a wise manner. Here, in a wise manner. That is the complete answer of how. So this particular word is called adverb phrase. Because here this particular word add the meaning of word talk. Now see some more example. Example number 2. Example number 2. See here. Sachin played nicely at Sasa. Sachin played nicely at Shahjahan. Here the word nicely used to describe how Sachin played. So nicely is what? Nicely is adverb. Now we are going to change this sentence into adverb phrase. What is the answer? Sachin plays how? The question is how? In a very nice style. Sachin played in a very nice style. Where at Shahjahan. Where at Shahjahan. Understand? In a very nice style. In a very nice style. Here your answer is in a very style adverb phrase. It is called adverb phrase. This particular word used for nice. I think you understand well. What is adverb class? They fought bravely. They fought bravely. Bravely is used to describe what is adverb. The bravely you can change they fought in a brave manner. Your answer is they fought in a brave manner. I think through the example you can understand what is adverb and how adverb change into adverb of phrase. And so on many examples you can read by yourself with the help of this. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you must like this video and also subscribe and share in your group. Thanks once again.